just outside my room at Grand Aston Beach Resort. It's like a hotel here, style building, right? So when I'm facing the door here, to the left, where that bright light is the elevators to the right and stairwell to the left. You could go this way, but I don't know anything about that yet because I haven't been here more than a day. But 3209 is my room number. Little tidbit, 3, we're on the second floor, so 3 is actually the building 3, room 209. Now I assume that's with the whole building. But yeah, building 3 is the first number, and then 209 is the room number. Now, let's come in here. It's not working right. I hate when it does that. Yeah, see, it doesn't flash green like it was. This door is a little tight. It's heavy. It's definitely not an easy door to push. It's definitely fire rated. Now, on the left is the bathroom. I'll show you that in a second. On the right here is the closet. I'll show you the right side first, where you hang up your the hangers to hang up your outside clothes, towels, whatever you want to hang up here. In my case, it's my shirt or my jacket, my hoodie. And this is automatic lighting, just turns right on. That's the cool thing about this feature of this hotel. Iron and an iron board and a boot case or a boot shoe rack. Shoe rack, silly me. So anyway, continuing on. Extra cases for the bed, extra blankets for the bed. Safe, which I need to go get them to fix it because it didn't work. Push in your 3 to 6 digit number, hit pound, and it's supposed to close, but it didn't. It would just say it on the screen, but that's about it. Couple little drawers for whatever you want. Bathroom here again, sliding door. I'm not going to get too crazy about that. You can slide it. Like that feature, it's a different feature. I've seen that only in Canada. Light switches right here, so the crapper is here. I noticed this toilet doesn't always turn off, so you have to push it more than once because it kept running, so I had to shut it off more than once just because it wouldn't shut off. Sink here, some towels below there. We used the towels already, obviously you can see. Yeah, we had to use the towels for a shower this morning, and I say we. For a minute, you'll know what I mean in a minute. They were down there. Nice, long, big shower, walk-in shower, heads right there. But when you use that little knob on the top, right here, that little dangly thing there, it looks like I don't know what it looks like. Anyway, the water will come out of there, and then you just turn up the tap like this, and it will then close and do that. It'll come out the top of the shower. Oh yeah, and shampoo and conditioner up there, or shampoo and body wash over there. Continue on here. Got that. You got your tiny little bag rack with your bags on there. And so I'm with somebody this time. Of all times, this is the first time I brought somebody with me. That person needed a vacation, so here we are. That's why both beds haven't been made up yet, because it's still the morning and they're just doing the cleanings of the room here. So 2 double beds, a nice cool little lamp. Both of them lamps over here that come up from the roof as well, but same type of look. Looks like a taco, bunch of little tacos. But anyway, lamps. You got your coffee machine here, but no actual pods or any other condiments. You get 2 little bottles of water, but we drank them already. They're tiny, tiny bottles because I think they have so many people here. It's a busy resort. So they only supply with 2. And 2 glasses and a coffee mug, but of course you can't use it because there's no mug there, or there's no pod to use, or nothing else. Anyway, This little door is to your refrigerator. Nothing in there, unfortunately, due to issues with supply. I think they just don't want to add extra supply to the rooms or something. I don't know why, but that's usually the reason that I've found experiences here of supply chain issue. Like I said, a desk here, chairs, a table, again, the double beds, and a beautiful big balcony, which I'll quickly show you and finish this up here. So this doesn't lock, which is not a big deal because we're basically second floor, but it's got the screen. I just opened up the screen and the door is right here. But it is a nice big building. It's brand new within the last year. Just got like 2 seats on a table beside it. Nothing crazy. Got a divider between rooms. And the view from our balcony. We're actually on the street side, which is fine. It's got a nice, basically, I usually call it a forest view. Anyway, that's all I want to show you with this room. It's just over 6.5 minutes. But that's okay. I thought it was going to be a shorter video, but that's okay. I'll keep it at that. Thank you very much, and we will see you in the next video. Ciao.